What impact do parents' behavior in terms of their own relationship with food and attitude about weight have on their child or teen?
Huge, huge. If the parent has an eating disorder, well, that can be genetic, but if the parent has an eating disorder and are actively engaging in it, the kids are going to copy this. If the parents are dieting, the kids are more likely to copy this. If the parents are over-exercisers and this is being emphasized, the kids are going to mimic this. So the parents' behaviors are very often instrumental in the development of a eating disorder. Not intentionally, but the kids do copy it, and then in my mind, an eating disorder can almost be contagious then, because they start talking to their peers, or they go online and they find these pro-anorexia sites, and that also encourages them. So I think the parents have to be careful that they stress that they're doing it in a healthy way, and they don't stress over it and emphasize it. But I've had many patients say to me, "Mom denies that she's on a diet," or "Mom denies that she has anorexia," or "Mom denies that she's over-exercising, but I know she is."
And I find it's difficult to treat kids whose parents are making comments about their own bodies. So if mom is saying, and it's usually mom, but it can be dad too, if mom is commenting that she's fat and she needs to lose weight and she's weighing herself all the time, it's hard to tell the child that you can't do those behaviors, even though mom is.
So yeah, do what I say and not what I do is not really effective.
Right.
Is there anything a parent can do to sort of protect their child from developing a disorder?
I think the biggest thing is have communication with them, be open with them, talk to them about it, and if possible, have as many family meals as they can, so that they can parrot what the families are doing and families are eating. But I think the biggest thing is communication.
And just being a good role model yourself. We may not always, as parents, feel great about our own bodies, but don't talk about that in front of your child. Trying to display a healthy attitude about eating, try and get outside and exercise with your kids, and just do it in a healthy way that makes them feel good about themselves. There's a recent study that looked at whether it's ever helpful for fathers to talk to their daughters about their weight, and it turns out it's not. If you just don't talk about their weight, but go out there and throw a ball with them or be active and exercise with them, that's a far better way to deal with a possibly overweight child than to talk about their weight.